Hello, and welcome to Looking Forward for Astronomy 100 for Monday, September the 1st, 2014. As you get ready for class on Monday, I'd like you to read Units 6.1, 6.2, and 6.5, Units 8.1 and 8.2, and Unit 9 of the textbook. And I'd like you to think about the following couple of questions. First of all, when you are thinking of sunrise or the sun during the day, is it always the same? Does the sun always come up in the same spot every day? Or does it change? And is the amount of sunlight we get the same or different every day? And how do you know? What's your personal experience that tells you that? If it changes, does it keep changing and changing and changing and never go back to the same thing, or does it go through some sort of cycle? And how can we use that cycle in our daily lives? The second question I'd like you to think about relates to something that Penn and Teller once talked about. There's the little one that's skinny. There's the bigger one that's fatter. They talked about numbers, and they talked about the fact that human beings can apparently tell the difference between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 things. But once they get beyond that, then they're stuck really having to think about many things. At least that's the way our brains seem to categorize things. Well, imagine that you could count in terms of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then many. Think about how you would subdivide things easily in that scenario. What base number system would that lead you to using if you didn't have things like fractions and decimals? Then finally, how do these two things, the changing of the sun and our ability to count or subdivide those things, how do those lead us to some sort of understanding about using the sun and the sky in the universe around us? We'll talk about that and more when we get together on Monday. See you then.